Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you how to create an Snapchat account. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat app. Then you have to tap on sign up. Then tap on continue. If you want to allow Snapchat to access your contacts, then tap on allow. Or if you don't want, then tap on deny. Here you have to enter your name. Then tap on continue. Enter your birthday. Tap on continue. If you want to keep this username, then tap on continue, or if you want to change, then tap on change my username. I want to keep this, so I have tap on continue. Set a password, tap on continue. Here you have got an option. If you want to enter your email address, if you want to use the phone number instead, then use phone number. Tap on use phone number instead. I'm using my email address. Continue. Here you have got an option. If you want to use your phone number as a verification code, then enter your phone number, or if you want to skip this process, then tap on skip button, which is located at the top right corner. Then tap on continue. You can create a Bitmoji. If you don't want to create, tap on skip. Now successfully your Snapchat account has been created, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos of our channel. Thank you.